Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Vivo TWS 2. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Vivo, then search. And you should install Vivo earphones application. Now open it. I have read, agree, while using app, allow, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!